Hey boys and girls, this is your Show What You Know for Author's Opinion. I'm going to read you guys this text on recycling, and then you're going to answer these two questions on author's opinion. Let's start here. Recycling is a way to take trash and turn it into new things. There are many different ways to recycle, so you can use materials more than once. Recycling means less trash and saves space in dumps and landfills. In general, recycling materials can make less pollution, helping to keep our earth clean. Recycling is a great way to help the earth. So now I want you to think, what was the author's opinion about our topic of recycling? I'd like you to underline your evidence where you found his opinion. Then, I'd like you to give one detail to support his opinion that matches what he thinks and teaches us a new fact. If you need to listen to the text again, go ahead and replay your video. And then don't forget, write his opinion, underline your evidence in the text, and give me one detail about his opinion.